Hello everyone, and welcome to Blue Ridge Lighting and Control's Low-Down Wall on Lockdown series featuring Emergi-Lite. Emergi-Lite manufactures a variety of specification grade exit signs, remote fixtures, battery packs, and inverter systems. Emergi-Lite is owned by ABB, a global corporation that is headquartered in Switzerland. Today we are focusing on the EMI-U and EMI-LC mini inverter series and the LED-DR LED fixture emergency pack. Emergi-Lite offers three different mini inverters: a 1,000 watt high capacity mini inverter, a normal capacity mini inverter, 125 watts to 750 watts, and a low capacity mini inverter with either a 32 watt or a 55 watt load. Mini inverters offer many advantages. Each mini inverter can power many remote fixtures for a streamlined system with a small footprint, perfect for locations with limited space. They can be installed unobtrusively in a small area and added as needed to provide emergency power on each floor of larger buildings. When power fails, the mini inverter supplies 100% power or lumen output with less than 1 second of transfer. They are ideal for use with LED fixtures and most light sources except HID. Fixtures can be on, off, switched, or dimmed. The mini inverter diagnostic charger is fully self-contained. Every 30 days, it will run a test based on code requirements. Inverter and charger modules utilize highly reliable solid-state electronics. Modules feature input and output protection. They also measure and limit their own current. Emergi-Lite mini inverters produce a true sine waveform with less than 5% total harmonic distortion for linear loads. Capacity is available at 125 watts and up to 750 watts. The 250 watt mini inverter has a unique ability that sets it apart from other models. It has a 0 to 10 volt connection to dim the light fixtures to the actual amount of light you need during an emergency. Reducing the wattage allows you to use more fixtures on a smaller inverter, or even better, use less inverters. Emergi-Lite calls this function load shedding, and you have two standard options, 25% or 45% brightness output. This allows you to connect up to 20 fixtures per inverter depending on your total size of load. The Emergi-Lite mini inverter reduces testing and service time for a minimal maintenance cost while ensuring that local safety codes are met. It offers exceptional overload performance without the need to overspecify the rating. It can be installed at a distance, offering the opportunity to hide the unit from view and maintain architectural design by powering normally on luminaries. When the power goes out, the mini inverter will deliver 100% power or lumen output of the fixture up to the specified runtime. Emergi-Lite's LED-DR series emergency LED backup will convert new or existing LED fixtures into emergency lighting units with constant power emergency LED drivers. They are available from 5 watt to 17 watt models. They are UL 924 approved and can be mounted on top of the fixtures or remotely. They have a 5-year warranty and are an in-stock item for the factory and for many distributors. Thank you for your time. I hope the information provided today about the Emergi-Lite mini inverter and battery packs will help you in designing your next project. If you have any questions, would like to see a sample, or place an order, please contact us today.